Hello dear student. So I welcome you back in this second part of grammar chapter 16 contractions. So in the previous video we have discussed that how contractions are made. We have seen the definition of contraction as well, that they are written and spoken form of word and they can be created by omitting some of the words of second word, and the short form of each letter or word is called here as contractions. We have discussed this point as well, and I also discuss about the contraction, how the contractions are made or formed. Then we discuss about which are the important contractions which we do here and which are required for short forms, and which are the major verb forms we always do their contractions. So am, is and are, has and have, had, will and would are the important verbs always found in short form or contractions. Then we had a discussion about the point about is and has. Is and has. So if you are using his, so after that s you must have to use adjective or ing verb form. If it is there, it means it will be is. And if there is V3 form like come and gone, this will be has. Okay. And after that we have a next rule, is very important. This apostrophe s is also used to signal possession. It means what? It is directing some possession. Possession means some ownership, belongingness that belongs to you, like my bag, my house, my pen, all that. So here is example we have, like Akash house is nearby and Ritu's bag. So here this apostrophe s and this apostrophe s are not short form. They are not Ritu is bag or Akash's house. No, they are not apostrophe s, but they are just the ownership, belongingness of Ritu and Akash. So this house belongs to Akash and bag belongs to Ritu. So make a note of that. Just don't consider these word as Ritu is bag. So the sentence completely changed that Ritu is bag. No, you have to say that Ritu's bag. Alright. Then there is a difference as well in its and its. Okay. So what's that? Make a note of this. It's getting late. We commonly say that, it's getting late. Now, when you say this example, this it's means it is. It is short form of it is. And ing verb you must have to use because that is the example of present continuous tense. So it is getting is correct. It's getting late. And then next we have the dog wags its tail. So dog wags its tail. So its tail. Whose tail it is? Its tail. So this its is used to show the belongingness of animals. Okay, its ear, its eyes, its leg is basically used for dog only. Alright, the cat hurt its leg. Okay, so this its shows the belongingness or possession of animals. Let's go for our next point. Now we have the exercise A, and in this what we will do, you need to rewrite the following sentence replacing the underlined word with contraction. So what you will do, as there is some exercise in your textbook, so you just need to remember that on this underlined word we have to write the short form. So in textbook with pencil you can mark we will, or will we can say. Alright, so look at this. We will have only some boiled vegetables for dinner. So when you say that we will have only some boiled vegetables for dinner, at that time we will is underlined word. We is pronoun and we is helping verb. So we will make this short form of the verb like will. So we'll make it as like will. Alright. Look at the second example. Look at the second example, like he didn't or did not like that book at all. So here did not is underlined word and we'll make it like didn't. Alright, so we make it like didn't. Okay, so what you will do, you will write here just the word didn't. Look at third example. the student must not play football in this rain, said the principal. So here must not is the full form word, must and not, so we'll make it short form. And here while making it we have removed O only. Look at that, must is the first word is unchanged, it's common, you don't have to change the first letter, first word, remember that. And here not, we are using it, an apostrophe is put and O is removed here. Same for did not also, O is removed and apostrophe is there. Alright, look at the fourth example. Leela would not tell us why she was crying. So Leela would not tell us why she was crying. So here would not is the word, so we'll make it in the same format like Leela wouldn't. So here this apostrophe will be given and O will be removed or omitted from the sentence. Alright, so wouldn't will be like this. And if you want to make more short, then Leela wouldn't, like here we'll remove this W-O-U-L all letters and we'll just write D here. Let's become Leela wouldn't, short form of that. Alright, let's go for fifth example. They have forgotten to invite the most important person. So here they have is the underlined word, so I'll make it they. Alright, they have. So here have will not more trace, just in short form they. Alright, just verb will trace it out, have will not trace it out while pronouncing that. The pronunciation also very important there. So this apostrophe will put it and H and A will remove from the sentence. Alright, so I hope dear students you are getting the points I'm saying you here. When you are changing some apostrophes here, make a kind note that they are very important and remove some of the letters only, not all the rules. And it is not same all the time when we change the contraction. So you need more practice in it, and to get clear idea about contractions you must practice the contraction. So just solve exercise number A of your own, and exercise B and C will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.